Hi again. I'm going to show you how the SayAs primitive works. Now, I strongly suggest that you first look at the video tutorial for Say before watching this one. And remember that the Say command uses the text-to-speech capability of your computer to read the input out loud. The input can be a word or a list. The SayAs command does the same as Say, but it also chooses a specific voice or accent, for example, a woman or a man, a Canadian or a British person, or many other options. First, find out the names of voices that your computer supports. Type this in the command center. Show voices. A list of voices that you can pick from will appear in the command center. For example, on a Mac, using the Chrome browser, you'll get Fiona, Daniel, and many other options. I'm going to type this in the command center of my Mac. SayAs, hi everyone, Fiona.
Hi everyone.
And SayAs, welcome, Daniel.
Welcome.
Did you hear the difference between the two? A voice can also be more than one word. For example, Google UK English female. Here are some important tips. Use square brackets around the words you want to hear, and a single apostrophe on both sides of the voice name, even when the voice name is more than one word. For example, SayAs, welcome, Google UK English female.
Welcome.
Now put a text box on your page and leave its name as text1. Type this inside the text box. Have a wonderful day. Now, type this in the command center. SayAs, text1, Fiona.
Have a wonderful day.
Did you hear it? If you have a Windows 10 computer, type this in the command center. SayAs, text1, Microsoft Zira, desktop-English. And you're going to hear the previous voice I used since I don't have a Windows 10.
Have a wonderful day.
If you have a Chromebook, you could type this in the command center. SayAs, text1, Chrome OS, US, English 3. And again, the previous voice will play since I don't have a Chromebook.
Have a wonderful day.
Here's another tip. You don't need square brackets around the text box name. It works like a reporter here, passing its content to the SayAs primitive. The SayAs primitive is fun when you want to add a specific voice or accent to your project. For example, if you're making a presentation or greeting card and want the viewer to hear your message. And now a warning. When you send a project to a friend and their computer doesn't have the same voice you used in your SayAs procedure, they'll hear the last voice they used. It might be a male or female voice with a Canadian or Australian accent. So for this primitive, there's no companion project for that reason. That's it for now. Thanks, and until next time.